Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. Well, today in this video, I'll show you how to change Telegram icon from the apps. But before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing first, open your Telegram apps on your phone here and go ahead to the setting icon at the bottom. After that, in the settings page, you have to tap on the appearance here at the top of the language. Now you just have to scroll it down a bit more and you will see the app icon section. Here, you have to slide it to find another icon. And I'm gonna choose to use this classic black. Just tap on it and you will deserve this pop-up. Just tap on OK. And yeah, I'm gonna close these apps and yeah, we'll see. The Telegram apps is already changed here. And now I'm gonna try to change it to this fillet. Just tap on it and tap OK. And again, let's close these apps. And yeah, it's already changed again. So guys, I think it's enough. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will help you. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon on the next one and good luck!